In today's class, I will be discussing problems on groups. So far, you learned groups, how the groups will be formed, what are the conditions a group to satisfy, commutative group, abelian group, various properties like closure property, associative, identity, and inverse. Now, how to check whether a non-empty set with a given binary operation form a group. So today we will be discussing problems on groups. Now see this problem. Show that the set of all positive rational numbers form an abelian group under the composition defined by A star B is equal to AB by 2. So the given non-empty set is set of all positive rational numbers. And the binary operation defined on the set is if A and B are two rational numbers, the binary operation star A star B is nothing but AB divided by 2. So with this composition, you have to see whether the set of positive rational numbers form an abelian group. So see the solution. Let Q suffix plus is set of all positive rational numbers. We have to prove that Q plus is an abelian group. So the given binary operation is star. It is like this. A star B is equal to AB by 2 for all A and B belong to Q plus. So to show a given set forms a group with a defined binary operation, you know that we have to verify several properties. First property, closure property. So you remember what is a closure property. So to verify closure property, let A, B belong to Q plus. So you take two elements A and B in non-empty set Q plus. So definitely A and B must be some positive rational numbers. When A and B are two positive rational numbers, AB by 2 also a positive rational number. So A star B is AB by 2. So it is a positive rational number. So definitely A star B belongs to Q plus. So that means the closure property is satisfied. So first property is satisfied. Go with the second one, associative property. So you remember what is associative property for groups. A, B, C, three members belong to Q plus. So immediately you can understand A, B, C must be three positive rational numbers. Now you have to consider A star, B star C. So A star, B star C is equal to A star. Now B star C becomes BC by 2 by definition of binary operation star. So therefore, there are two numbers A and BC by 2. Again there is a binary operation star. So that gives you A into BC by 2 whole by 2. That will be A into BC by 4. So finally it is ABC by 4. Now you consider right hand side of the associative property, that is A star B star C. So A star B becomes AB by 2 as per the definition. So AB by 2 star C means AB by 2 into C whole by 2. That is AB into C whole by 4. So ABC by 4. So in both cases, you got ABC by 4. So both are equal. A star B star C will be equal to A star B star C. So therefore, associative property is satisfied. So closure property is verified, associative property is also verified. Going to third one, identity property. So let E be the identity element of Q plus. Means let E be the identity element in the set Q plus. So if E is the identity element, A is an element of Q plus, any element, then we have A star E is equal to A. Because you said E is the identity, A star E becomes A. So by definition of star binary operation, A star E is nothing but AE by 2, that is A. So when AE by 2 is equal to A gets cancelled, E by 2 becomes 1. Implies E is equal to 2. So now, what is 2? 2 is a positive rational number. 2 belongs to Q plus. So identity element E is 2, which is belong to Q plus. So you take A and 2, consider A star 2. So you get A into 2 by 2, that is A. So therefore 2 is the identity element. Because identity element exists in the set, identity property is satisfied. Now closure property, associative property, identity property are verified. Now fourth property, inverse property. So A belongs to Q plus. A is an element of Q plus. Suppose B is the inverse of A. Suppose B is the inverse of A. Then by inverse property, you will have A star B is equal to B star A is equal to E, identity element. But identity element is already obtained, that is nothing but 2. So A star B must be equal to 2. So when A star B is equal to 2, A star B is by definition AB by 2. AB by 2 will be equal to 2. So when AB by 2 is equal to 2, AB is equal to 4. Therefore, B will be 4 by A. So that means inverse of A is 4 by A. So inverse exists. For if A is the element, 4 by A is the inverse. Therefore, inverse property is satisfied. So every element has an inverse. From the above 4 properties, finally we obtained Q plus star is a group. So finally we proved set of positive rational numbers with binary operation star is a group. Now there is last property, fifth property, that is commutative property. If commutative property is also satisfied, then we say the group is abelian group. So for commutative property, let us take A comma B belong to Q plus. When A comma B belong to Q plus, then A star B will be by definition AB by 2. But AB by 2, A and B are positive rational numbers, we can write it as BA by 2. Because AB is equal to BA. But BA by 2 is nothing but B star A. So therefore, A star B is equal to B star. Commutative property is satisfied. Therefore, Q plus star is an abelian group. So by this problem, finally, we have proved that set of all positive rational numbers with the given binary operation star forms an abelian group. Similar type of problem to improve or to develop confidence in the topic, I would like to solve another problem, similar type. Take this, show that the set of all positive rational numbers form an abelian group under the composition defined by A set AOB is equal to AB by 3. So this time the set is same, positive rational numbers, but binary operation is O. It is defined as AOB is equal to AB by 3. with this binary operation, you have to show that the set forms a abelian group. So in the same manner, like in the previous problem, consider Q plus. Q plus set of all positive rational numbers. And we have to prove that Q plus is an abelian group. Binary operation is O such that if AB belongs to Q plus, AOB is equal to AB by 3. That is our binary operation. So in the same manner, you go with first closure property. So A comma B belong to Q plus. A and B are positive rational numbers. So AB by 3 is also a positive rational number. So that means AOB belong to Q plus. Closure property is satisfied because AOB is nothing but AB by 3. AB by 3 is a positive rational number. It belongs to Q plus. So closure property is satisfied. So second one, in the same manner, associative property. For associative property, we have to take three elements of the set A, B, C. Three elements of Q plus. What is Q plus? Set of all positive rational numbers. Now consider AO, BOC. So that is equal to AO. What is BOC? By definition of binary operation O, it is BC by 3. So now A is O, BC by 3. A is one element, BC by 3 is another element. So if you apply binary operation here, it is A into BC by 3 whole by 3. And that becomes A into BC by 9. It is nothing but ABC by 9. So therefore, AOBOC will be ABC by 9. Now you consider AOB, OC. AOB by definition AB by 3. So AB by 3 OC. A by 3 OC is equal to AB by 3 C by 3. So that is AB C by 9. It finally is ABC by 9. So therefore, in the first case you got ABC by 9. In the second case also you got ABC by 9. That means they are equal. That means AOBOC will be equal to AOBOC. That shows associative property is satisfied. So closure property is verified, associative property is also verified. Now the third one, identity property. So in the same manner, like in the previous problem, let E be the identity element of the given set Q plus. E is the identity element. Now take any element A belong to Q plus. So E is the identity element. A is any element. So generally we have AOE is equal to A. But AOE is given by definition of binary operation AE by 3. So AE by 3 will be equal to A. So AE by 3 is equal to A means A gets cancelled on both sides. That implies E by 3 is equal to 1. So when E by 3 is equal to 1, that implies E is equal to 3. So in the beginning, we assumed that E is the identity element, and finally we got the identity element for Q plus is 3. So identity element is 3 belong to Q plus. Suppose you want to verify A is any element of Q plus and 3. You take binary operation AO3. So AO3 by definition A into 3 by 3. Finally it is A. So that proves 3 is the identity element of the set. So when identity element exists, identity property is satisfied. Now inverse property. Now we will have to verify inverse property. So take any element A belong to Q plus. Let B be the inverse of A. Right? So A is an element, there is an element B which is inverse of A. When B is inverse of A, then AOB is equal to BOA is equal to identity element E. But already identity element is obtained, that is 3 for this particular problem. So therefore, let us say AOB is equal to 3. By definition of binary operation O, AOB is nothing but AB by 3. So AB by 3 is equal to 3. So simplification, you get AB is equal to 9, B is equal to 9 by A. So if A is the element, its inverse is 9 by A. So inverse exists for every element of the set. Inverse property is satisfied. So inverse is existing for every element, therefore inverse property is satisfied. So therefore, from all the 4, closure property, associative is also satisfied, identity property is also satisfied, finally inverse is also satisfied. Therefore, the non-empty set Q plus along with binary operation O forms a group. Therefore, Q plus O is a group. But you are asked to prove that it is an abelian group. Up to now, you have proved that it is a group. How to show that it is an abelian group? In addition to the 4 properties, if the set with binary operation also satisfies 5th property, that is commutative property, you can say it is an abelian group. Now we verify whether 5th property is satisfied by the elements of the set Q plus. So let A comma B belong to Q plus. Then AOB, by definition, AB by 3. AB by 3 can be written as BA by 3. So BA by 3 is again BOA. So that means AOB is equal to BOA. When AOB is equal to BOA, the commutative property is satisfied. So when commutative property is satisfied, 5th property is also satisfied. So for all the properties, Q plus O is a group with 5th property now. Because 5th property is also satisfied, Q plus O is an abelian group.